Hi guys, today we learn about how to fix black screen error in Binance app. So how to fix this issue? The whole screen converted into black and none of the function work. So how to fix this issue? So open settings, click more settings, open app manager. Here is the app that is installed on my mobile. So open Binance app, click storage, click clear cache and clear data. So remember me, when you clear cache and clear data, you log out your Binance account app. So you remember must password and your email address before doing this. So after clear cache and clear data, just restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, black screen error will remove on your Binance app. So you easily log in your account, and black screen error will remove permanently. So this is how you can solve your problem. Thanks for watching.